Just a quick unboxing, not quite a review just yet. I just picked it up today of the Skilsaw worm drive, and there's the blade it comes with. It's a 24 tooth, 7¼ inch blade. This is the lightweight Skilsaw magnesium. This is the SPT77WML. And this is the lightweight one. However, I'll still say, in comparison, it has definitely got some weight to it. But I don't know, I was watching quite a few videos. I'd had my other Skilsaw, well, not a Skill, it was a Lowe's Cobalt brand, and it finally crapped out on me. And I just wanted to try the worm drive, and it'll be nice too being able to line it up and cut from the right side. So gotta finish reading the manual, because I believe after 10 hours you're supposed to either check the oil or change the oil in the worm drive gear. And for right now, I had picked this up at Lowe's for $1.99, but it's definitely a nice saw. But I'll get back with the review after I use it and get some wood cut up and let you know how it went.